So this week we're going to start our Internet Safety Digital Citizenship lessons, and we're going to be using a program called DigitalPassport. So the first one that we're going to do is called Password Protect. So our link is right here. Now before we get logged in, let's talk about what a password is. It's a string of letters, symbols, and numbers that you can use to restrict who can access something digital. Think about the key used to open the door of your home. Would your neighbors be able to open the door to your home too? No. Why not? The shape of the key and its grooves are unique to that particular lock. The little details and specific grooves on a key are what make it impossible for any other key to be used to open a particular lock. Creating a digital password is like creating your very own lock and key. Today we will review tips for making sure that passwords are strong and secure. When you create passwords, it should be something that you can easily remember, but that isn't easy for other people to figure out. It is okay to write down your passwords, but remember not to carry them with you, and ask a parent or guardian to help you find a safe place at home to store them. So, we're not talking about your password here at school. That is already set for you. We're talking about when you make your own accounts for things that you're doing at home, making a secure password. So to play this game, we're going to click on Start New Game. And I want you to use your JCPS username. So I've typed in mine, and then I'm going to click Start. Now this is the username you're going to use all week to play this game. Now you have to be logged into that same computer and open up that same Chrome browser for it to save your game. So I'm going to click Start. And then it's going through some information about protecting our password. In your school, your teacher may give you a safe password to use. But when you go online at home, you may need another password. Your password is like a suit of armor. Let's practice designing a strong password to protect you while you are online. Now, I'm not going to go through this whole activity, but you do have to read what it says, because I've done this activity for years and people always get confused on this part right here. It says using common words as passwords is not a good idea. They are too easy for others to guess. One of the most common passwords is password. It may be easier to remember, but it would not protect you well. So you actually have to start by typing the actual word password here. And now it's telling you how weak it is and you need to make it strong. Now you're going into creating your own. You have to follow the rules that it is asking. So first it's asking you to type a word that's 8 to 10 letters long, but don't use your name. Then it's going to ask you to add some numbers. Then it's going to ask you to add some symbols as you're creating this password. This activity only takes just a very few minutes to finish.